Hi guys, I will tell you how to encrypt stored procedure, text and disable modify options for SP. To encrypt the text of the stored procedure, we need to use with encryption options. Once encrypted, you cannot view the text of the procedure using sp underscore help text. Let's start with simple steps how we can do. First, I will tell before encryptions. After that, I will tell you after encryptions. Let's start. So here it's a simple sp. So I am executing here. Now I will use sp underscore help text to get the text from sp. My sp name is sp get departments, selecting and executing. Now you can see all the text I'm getting without encryptions. Now I'll use the encryptions. So let's implement encryptions. How you can do that? Before you can drop this sp, drop procedure and sp name. If I use again sp underscore help test, so now you can see sp doesn't exist. Let's create again sp using encryption options. So how we can do that? You can use with encryptions and execute the sp. Now completed successfully. Let's check this command sp underscore help text sp name. If you'll execute this one, so you will not able to see the text in the sp. So here you are getting the message, the text for object sp got departments is encrypted. Second thing, if you go here database and refresh, select programmability and click on stored procedures. Now you can see it's created with the encryptions. If I'll click and you can see modify option is not coming, it's encrypted. If this video will help you, please like and subscribe to my channel to get the new videos. Thank you watching for this video. Please subscribe to get the new videos. Thank you so much.